In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add many columns in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening the Google Sheet where you want to add your columns. Make sure you're in the correct sheet tab at the bottom, especially if your file has multiple tabs, because the new columns will only be added to the active sheet. Now, take a look at the top of your sheet where you see the column letters A, B, C, and so on. To choose where you want to add new columns, click once on the letter at the top of the column next to where you want them to appear. For example, if you want to add new columns between columns B and C, click on the letter C. You'll see that the whole column is highlighted, which means it's selected. If you want to add several columns at once, here's the key step. Click and drag across multiple column letters to select them. For instance, click on column C, then drag across to column H. All those columns will be highlighted. The number of columns you select here is the number of new columns that will be added. So if you select 6 columns, Google Sheets will insert 6 new ones. Once your columns are selected, move your mouse up to any of the selected column letters. Then right-click. A menu will appear. In that menu, choose whether you want to insert columns to the left or to the right. If you clicked on column C and choose Insert X columns left, the new columns will appear before column C. If you choose Insert X columns right, they'll appear after the last column you selected. After you click the Insert option, Google Sheets will instantly add all of those columns at once. You'll see new blank columns appear, and the existing columns will shift over. Take a moment to double-check that everything moved the way you expected, especially if you already had data in your sheet. If you ever insert columns in the wrong place or add too many, don't worry. Just use the Undo shortcut on your keyboard or click the Undo button at the top of the screen to go back. Finally, a quick tip. Plan ahead by selecting the exact number of columns you need before inserting. This keeps your sheet organized and saves you from repeating the process multiple times. And that's how you quickly add many columns in Google Sheets in just a few clicks.